Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by backing up critical settings, because once you change icons, you want a safe rollback. First, export the HKCR entries for zip, and for the compressed file prog ID, make sure the export finishes. Next, prepare your ICO image at 256x256 or 48x48 because Windows favors multiple sizes inside the icon. Open Registry Editor as administrator, and also launch a tool to embed icons, such as Resource Hacker or a trusted icon editor. Once done, you now change the mapping that tells Windows which icon to show. In Registry Editor, navigate to HKey class's root and find either compressed folder or the prog ID bound to zip. This is where the default icon key lives. Edit default icon to the full path of your ICO file followed by a comma and index, for example C /icons/zipicon. ICO 0. Make sure permissions allow the change, and then restart Explorer or sign out and back, and so the shell reads the new value. This updates the association system-wide. You finish by forcing Windows to refresh icons so your new image appears. Stop Explorer via Task Manager, delete icon cache, DB in your user app data /local folder, then restart Explorer to rebuild the cache. If the zip icon still shows the old image, double-check the ICO file path and that the file is accessible to your user. Also confirm you edited the correct prog ID and default icon. If anything goes wrong, re-import the registry export you saved earlier to restore the original icons immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.